Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossom Papillon bag. Now this is the first piece of the Cherry Blossom collection that I've actually been able to see in person. This collection was so exclusive, so limited, and the drop was even worse than the multicolor collection, so it has been very hard to get my hands on anything. Now, surprisingly enough, it did come with the Murakami ribbon, which is always a benefit, and it came with the new flowergram box. So how this works is like there's a little push-in, and it opens really nicely. I really like the box because, it's not going to open by accident, and it just feels a little bit more secure, a little bit more luxurious, we'll say. Now, I didn't know how I was going to feel about this bag. I kind of felt like the shape was a little strange, but let me tell you, I am so obsessed with this bag. I genuinely am a little speechless with how much I like it. It's really big, but it doesn't feel like it's big, and it fits a lot. It has really nice hardware. The hardware is really large. The manufacturing on this piece, so pristine, lovely. The flowers are dispersed. I don't feel like there's too many where it feels like, whoa, like a little bit too many. I think they're kind of strategically placed, and they're a little different from side to side. So I think that also holds true with the mini pouch, which let's go ahead and talk about the mini pouch. This bag is actually a 2-in-1, which is crazy to me. So we also get this little tiny pouch that comes inside, and surprise, I also got a panda, which was really fun. Now, I really like the inside as well. It's this ballet pink kind of suede-ish material. Of course, you do have the stamp inside. It says it was made in France, and you can tell how impeccably made this is. I do think that the pieces that are made in France or overseas are coming over a little bit more well-crafted, so that is always a benefit. Now, this little pouch I think is adorable and could be a bag on its own. We will go ahead and try this on separately, so you'll see kind of the scale, but especially like how everybody wears like mini bags or mini wallets as a full purse itself. I think this one is really perfect for that, and it fits a lot more than a lot of those would. Now, inside this pouch, you do have another Louis Vuitton stamp, and it does say made in France. However, it is not the limited edition Murakami one. So I thought that was a little interesting and kind of an oversight on their end. We did see with the Neverfull pouch that it actually did have the 20th anniversary stamp inside. So I don't know why they wouldn't have put it in here as well. So I do think it's probably an error. Okay, let's go ahead and try it on. Now, I did mention that I was kind of shook, like how much I actually liked this bag. I think it proportionately looks really comfortable. Like it's not overpowering. I do have a smaller frame, so I always am concerned with larger bags that they're going to look too big. I also really liked the mini papillon, the way that they hang it on the strap. And like I just hung it right over both of the straps, so it comes off really easily, but you can even like intertwine it so it's a little bit more secure. I also tried it on separately without the extra little pouch, and I liked it a lot separately as well. I am about to try on just the pouch itself, but let me know in the comments below how you would wear this. I'm not sure, is there a right or a wrong? It kind of reminds me of like carrying a duffel bag. So I don't know if this is just a very 90s look, and the 90s ladies will really appreciate this one. But I just really loved it. I also think I wore the right outfit today to try this on. And if you did pick up anything in the Cherry Blossom, I would definitely recommend wearing it with some pink. That is all we have for you for this unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.